Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to share my weight loss journey with you. I was 97 kgs and today I am around 70 kgs. It was me on 1st October 2024 and it was me on New Year Eve, like 1st January of 2025. It is not a New Year resolution, but yes, I did all this by just walking every day. And we've heard a lot about this quote, like consistency is the key. We never took it seriously, but I took it seriously in this challenge. I will share my thorough journey with you, but before that I'll try and go into the flashback and why I opted this walking journey, because I never wanted to stretch my daily routine, my work routine, my work-life balance. So I have been going to the gym, doing muscle gains, doing strength training, doing high intensity workouts, but it never went that beneficial for me, just because there were a couple of reasons that I wasn't able to cope up with the consistency. One of the reason was sometimes I go overswamped with the work. Second reason was sometimes I become lazy. And thirdly, sometimes it was really difficult to make my brain and uh, travel to the gym and spare 2 hours and do all of that stuff. So yeah, I decided to opt this very minimalistic layout for myself to see the impact on my body. Before opting this, I went through internet. I have seen a lot of videos that how to lose weight. There were a lot of recommendations to do a home workout, to do high intensities, to do extreme type of diets, but I was not into those. So let's go into the flashback. I did my final year project that was a sprint ace game. um, that was actually a Kinect dependent technology back in 2013, and there was a boom into the smartphones, a revolution into the smartphones where people were getting addictive games into the phones and they were not actively involved in any kind of activities, but before that they used to go play crickets and all. That game introduced a kind of an activity where you stand in front of the Kinect and start walking, running, and get some certain scores and share with your friends. I worked on that game, but unfortunately, I didn't cope up with that situation, with that circumstance for myself too. And because it was the start of my career, I had to like cope up with the job hunting and then making myself stable towards my career. So I stopped looking into that specific activity and I went into money making stuff. Uh, but then I realized that I started putting a lot of weight, gaining a lot of fat. Um, in 2017, I started going gym. And at gym, as I said, that I used to dedicate 2 hours on a daily to have that routine done for me. But there were certain matrices that I wasn't able to cope up with that. I was 85 and I didn't lose much, though I started looking better, but I didn't lose much. But one fine day I decided to quit that thing just because it was consuming a lot of time and there was the kind of a job that I was on to that expected me dedicatedly. So yeah, after quitting my gym stuff, uh, I started gaining more weight, and on this day, like October 1st, 2024, I was around 97 kgs, and I was this lazy that I couldn't even move out of my chair. And if I had to do anything into my room, I had to call someone from outside and do that stuff for me. And that was a really hectic stuff for me. Uh, there was one more event that happened to me. I was working with a client and I had to like respond him promptly. I used to respond him on the daytime, on the night time. He observed that thing, and he actually dropped a call to me and said, Sikandar, how old are you? I said, I am 33. He said, I'm 56, and he shared his journey about the fitness routines and all. And he said, there is a lot that I cannot recover at my type of an age. You are at that age where you can recover a lot of things in a very speedy way. So you should spare some time for yourself, for your health routines, and take care of yourself. That given me a thought that I should take care of these routines. So on that same day, I decided to have a walk. I woke up in the morning as the same routine on a daily. I went out and I started walking. I completed around 4,000 steps, but I went breathless and tired. I actually booked a taxi and came back home. And this was a time when I decided to quit this again. And at the same day, I went to a friend's house just for a simple brainstorm and a chit chat. And I told him the whole situation, and he said that, Vikandar, anything happens, just go with the consistency. And that actually made me think that, okay, let's give it a thought, let's try it for a couple of weeks and see how this impacts my body, and then decide that do we want to proceed it further, or do we not want to proceed further. So at the next day I did the same. I completed 4,000 steps, but the very time I didn't felt that much of tired and that much of breathless, so I came back home by walking. uh, uh, I started this with the normal shoes of mine and no gadgets and all. I did the analytics on my phone, and I completed these 2 weeks. Uh, and In these 2 weeks, my average was 4,000 steps a day, and my best was 6,000 steps a day. And I actually weighed myself, and I lost around 6 kgs in these 2 weeks. I came from 97 to 91 kgs. But I wasn't feeling much change in my appearance. I don't know what, but that actually demotivated me. But there were certain changes into my lifestyle. I started feeling healthy, I started feeling active, and I started feeling confident in front of people, talking to them. And there's one more change that I did, is that instead of setting an alarm to wake up, I set an alarm to sleep. That helped me out completing my sleep hours, and wake up at the time to give myself a certain amount to think about that how my day would look like. Uh, so there were a couple of more observations that I did into my walk routines. While walking, I didn't used to hear music, so I have observed a lot of things, that there are a lot of parks and bridges around my home. I observed that the environment that I have around my home is like a little good for me. And uh, and I actually made certain friends, like the pot seller at the roadside used to ask a lot that, how do you walk this much on a daily? So that is one of my friends that I added into my list after started walking. And then I observed generosity in the people around me while walking. They actually asked me that, shall they drop me somewhere, or do I have to pick a bike here and all to go to somewhere. So that was the generosity that I faced. So after these 2 weeks, of course, there was a motivation that I am appearance wise not that good. So again, I gave a thought that I should continue it just for the sake of consistency, and just for the sake of the health routine that I am gaining into my life, the sleep hours that I am continuing in my life. So yeah, I continued that, and after 3 weeks, one of my friends came back to Pakistan, and he actually came to visit me. And when he saw me, he said that, oh, Sikandar, you've lost a lot. Hey, see a big difference into your appearance and all. But then he said that you shouldn't be doing only walk. You should be opting multiple flavors into your exercise routines. Could be like high intensity workout, could be like workouts and all. But as I said, I dropped the idea. I didn't want to stretch myself. I didn't want to stretch my routine. I just wanted to walk. So I walked in the daytime, in the night time. in my work hours, roads, in the park, in the streets. Anytime that I get certain spare times that I think I could walk, I opted that. And I used to like do my meetings while walking, and that helped me out to cope up with the work and the healthy routine at the same point in time. So I completed 175,000 steps in 1 month. That is around 160 kilometers. So yeah, that made me lose around 11 kgs. And just to tell you that I completed this in winter season, because it is difficult to lose in winters, not in summer. Summers is the easy season to lose weight. So I completed this in winter season, and I opted this. And yes, there's one more thing that I want to tell you, that once you started losing weight, there's a point where your weight gets stuck, and you think that okay, this is my max, and I cannot do more out of that. But that's not the case. If you stay consistent, you can lose more. So yeah, that was an achievement. But again, this was a point where some people think that okay, I have lost these 10 kgs, these good amount of kgs. Now I need to celebrate, and I need to party, and I have like a lot of achievements now, and I should stop. But I never stopped, and I completed these 3 months. And there were a lot of hurdles like foot sores, like uh, like routine overlapping and all. But as I said, that I managed myself into certain things, that I shouldn't quit walking. I have been doing like consistently, but not as same as every day. So let's say I complete 10,000 steps in one day, I complete 12,000 steps in the other day, and sometimes I complete 4,000 steps. So yeah, that's what I did. But that made me be more disciplined into my life. I completed 3 months, and my average was 170,000 steps each month, and around 155 kilometers each month. And I lost around 30 kgs. I am in front of you. The journey is going up, and I wanted to lose more, stay more healthy, and I wanted to like go beyond whatever I'm doing right now. So yeah, I'll continue with the rest of the journey of my life. If you want to lose weight, if you want to be fit, and you're frustrated with the fact that you are not confident in front of people, just opt this and let me know how it feels. Many of my friends have opted this and actually started losing weight. So yeah, let me know if you want me to post my daily routine video or a weekly routine video. I can post that. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one.